Good morning, day 49 of 75 Hard. The past few Sundays, to give myself a little break from cooking, before I go to the gym, I go to a place called Rose's Cafe. It's a local taco place. They're a chain, whatever. And they serve breakfast. So I usually get breakfast tacos because their tortillas are amazing. But since I'm on 75 Hard, I'm not doing that. They have breakfast bowls. So I can get a breakfast bowl with bacon, egg, cheese, and potatoes. Just delicious, right? And it's only it's less than $6, so it's a damn good deal. But I want to show you guys something here. So this is the bowl. It's not like overly large by any means. A person could easily eat this for breakfast, no big deal. But here's the thing, I'm gonna eat half of this. I'm gonna save the other half for tomorrow. So now I got 2 breakfasts for less than $6, which by the way is a damn good deal. But here's the reason I'm only eating half of this. The bowl has almost 700 calories. And it's really easy for people to think that something doesn't have that many calories. Because again, it doesn't really look like a whole lot of food. And I could eat it, the whole thing, for sure. But I also know what I'm eating the rest of the day. I know where my calories need to be. I know the nutrition plan I'm on right now, and I don't need to eat all of this for breakfast. And that's where a lot of people go wrong, is they get a thing like this of food. They have no idea how many calories in it. They never even bother to look. They eat the whole thing, think they're doing good, and then later on wonder why you're gaining weight or not losing weight because you're still overeating. I promise you, 99.5% of the time, if you're trying to lose weight and not losing weight, you're still eating too much damn food. Pay attention, look up the calories, figure out how much you're actually consuming, and then adjust. Y'all make good choices. I'll see y'all later. What's up, party people? Day 49 is a wrap. I just got done doing my second workout, 40-pound weight vest. Pretty much been doing this every single day, minus a couple other days. Water's done, pick's done, book's read. I already know it's for dinner. Like, to me, the food's the easiest part. You just gotta not put bullshit in your mouth. Anyway, I can see why so many people get to this point around the 50-day mark and they're like, man, I'm just gonna do this forever. This is gonna be the way I live from now on. When I'm done, I'm just gonna keep going. No, the fuck you're not. You 100% will not do this every day for the rest of your life. I promise you that. Because there are days where shit gets in the way. There are days when you need to prioritize other things over 2 workouts and drinking a gallon of water. And sometimes you just want to have a piece of cake, or you want to eat some pizza, or you want to have a cheeseburger, and there's nothing wrong with any of that. So don't get lulled into this like, I'm just going to do this forever. No, you're not. We'll talk later about how you parlay this into long-term success, because a lot of people fall off really hard after 75 hard. It's like wheels off once they're done. But there's a way to utilize the habits and behaviors that you're establishing during 75 hard to keep your progress going, to have long-term success and never really have regression. It's a topic for another day. Y'all have a great night. Make good choices. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.